ate your bebe na. So, ate will talk to you. Dali. Call ate Ajin, kuya Keroy. Dali. Love to be you. Oh, yun, ate, oh. Oh, show your bebe to ate Ajin. Oh, to kuya Keroy.
Ayan!
Oh. Oh.
Look!
Look. Oh.
Where?
There. Show to ate Ajin. Oh, show to ate Ajin. You have bebe.
Kasi bagong gupit.
Ah, bagong gupit si kuya. New haircut si kuya. Ah, what will you say to ate? What will you say to ate? Yeah. Oh, show to ate your dance. Dance, the dance. Nagsashy ikaw? Don't be shy to ate. Why are you hiding? Show your face to ate na. Boo! Oh, what is that? Yung toy? Dito ka. Gasi.
Ayan!
Oh,
Ayan!
see, Kuya handsome. New haircut. Wow, new haircut for Kuya. Yes. Huh?